Get ready.
So today I'm going to show you how to cut ginger. So first I'm going to peel, I use a peeler to peel the ginger. So this peeler, I got this from Walmart. The company's name is Tefal. You can also purchase it online from websites like Amazon. I'm going to first peel it and then wash the ginger and then show you how to dice it. For my, in regards to the knife, I got that from Cutco. The company's name is Cutco and I got that online. The cover for the ginger, this part, we actually compost this. So that's something that you might be able to do in your neighborhood as well. You can check online and see if in your neighborhood composting is part of what they do. This is really good for the environment. Okay, so you would peel it off like so, and I already have one that is peeled off from earlier, so I'm just going to wash my hand and show you how to cut the ginger. Okay, so here's the one that I had cut before and I had also washed. So now I'm going to just cut it like so. Ooh. Okay. Okay, and then we're just going to dice into small pieces now. And make sure your hand is somewhat like this so that you don't cut your finger. And if you want smaller pieces, you can continue again several times to dice it. Sometimes I do use my Cuisinart food processor to kind of blend it, so that's another option as well. And I'll do it one more time. And that is how you would dice your ginger. Thank you.